There are three kinds of two. The first kind of two is called a second one. There's a first one, and then there's a second one. And so the first kind of two that can exist is actually not two. It's only just a second one, just one. It's a one put in the second place. It's by itself, like the one is by itself. So truly, it's not two. It's called the first kind of two. It's not two, it's just a second one. The second kind of two that can exist are when the first one moves into house two with the second one, and now there are two ones there. And the second kind of two is called actually two because it's two ones together. It's a one twice, 1 plus 1. It's the second kind of two that can exist. There's a third kind of two that could exist, and it's the symbol two itself. A two that is itself one time is 1, 2. It's not two ones. So the third kind of two is the two itself. The symbol 2 is just one number that represents two ones that come together in a marriage. So the three kinds of two start out, and the first is the second one that doesn't have the other one. The second kind of two being the two together, and they're two ones now. And now they're like a boyfriend and girlfriend. They're not married. 1 plus 1 is like a boyfriend and girlfriend, not married. But when it becomes two once, 1, 2, it's now not two things, it's one thing. The number 2 is itself, the symbol 2 is once, itself once. It's made of two things, though, that become one thing. So two ones is much different from 1, 2, or a two that is a two once, one time. And so the third kind of two is called the prime two. It's a marriage of the two ones when they come together as 1, 2 instead of two ones.